How do you make garlic ginger paste,
Oh,
mate?
hello. Butter, ginger, garlic, what kind of paste here for you? I mean, ginger garlic paste. Homemade, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, only a few ingredients, no pocket artificials, no pocket vinegar, no pocket stabilizer, you know the where the horses live, no stabilizer, no fucking shit, no E numbers, nothing, all just goodness. I'm not going to fucking eat it, but it's very, very nice. You can make the curry with this. You can make the base curry with this. The base gravy, the base curry, the base gravy. You know, the Yorkshire meat base gravy. You can make lots and lots of popcorn. Put it on your porridge, put it on your cornflakes, put it on your toast. You can make a naan bread with this garlic and ginger naan. Nah, don't do that. Anyway, let me show you how it's fucking done. Recipe is fucking there for you. Don't forget to go to my YouTube as well. That bastard.
So what you need here is 2 bulbs of garlic and the same amount, 50% ratio to ginger. This is not a fucking exact science. Try to get it as close as possible. Weighing won't really work. A half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of oil, and then we need a little bit of oil at the end. I will show you. 1/4 cup of cold water. Recipe is fucking there, but that's what I did was I cut all the way down the bulb near the root, not wasting too much of the garlic. Turn the knife with the sharp end facing towards you. So you slap your hand, add a little bit of pressure, and it will peel straight off. You don't need to peel these to keep them whole pieces. This is not a fucking show. We're going to blend it bastard anyway, so don't worry about it. It just makes it a little bit faster and quicker. For the ginger, now I know very, very experienced chefs who cut too much of the ginger when they use a knife. So you're going to use a knife, be very, very delicate. Don't waste the fucking ginger. But here is a trick for you. If you're not safe with the knife, or you don't feel safe with the knife, you're going to slice your fucking fingers off, use a teaspoon. Watch this. Just grate it away and you won't waste any of that fucking ginger, and the spoon gets into the crevices as well. It's a nice little hack. Once the ginger is done, add it to the garlic and then add the salt, add the oil, and add the pani, the cold water. And what we're going to do is we're going to blitz this until unrecognizable, nice smooth paste. I'm using a Ninja here. You can use a hand blender. You can use any blender you fucking want. It's the same thing until nice and smooth. Very, very simple. And then we're just going to put it in an airtight container. And what we're going to do at the end is add a little bit of oil to the top, about half a tablespoon or a tablespoon. This will help it keep fresh. And what you do is you can refrigerate this for 1 week in an airtight container in the fridge. It's going to be fucking epic. It's going to be a game changer for you. Fresh ginger, fresh garlic. You are in charge. Enjoy, bastards!